Alright guys, so we are actually 2 days away from the Father's Day car show, and we've decided that we're going to bring the Etzel, the Rambler, the truck, and Stanley to the Father's Day car show. It's to support local veterans, so we're going to just enter them all in, and we're not expecting to win anything. We just like to go to the Father's Day car show and support our veterans. So the truck go-kart is complete. I did add a handbrake in the truck go-kart and a horn, but the handbrake I added it so Mikey could drive it, and because he's going to be driving this to the Father's Day car show, and we're going to do little touches onto Stanley because I will be driving Stanley to the car show. Some of the things that we're going to do is I'm going to stiffen up the wheelie bar. I got 2 bars like this. I drilled a hole out in them so this here could slide in and out, but I'm going to weld this on here and then have this here so we could use this to go in, and it'll stiffen up the wheelie bars, because before when we would do a wheelie this would flop up, or when we're driving it'll flop. So we're going to stiffen that up, and hopefully the flopping as driving goes away. Another thing we are going to do is here's our old belt. As you see, there's wire showing. So we got 3 new belts. They're the same size, and I already put one on because I just figured I'd do that off camera. But so we got 2 more for spares, but I am also going to keep this, because you never know if anything happens with the new one. We got a spare. So another thing is our other ladder. We're going to add that on the side here. It is a lot lighter than the other one because I think the other one kind of got I don't know really why, but it is a lot lighter. So that's another thing we're going to do. And I did already off camera, I neatened up the wire in the back for the lights, because before they were just like drooping down. So I neatened them up and have them running up, and up from the lights down to the back of the seat cab. And I also painted the inside black, so I'll show you that stuff now. So here's the inside. It's all black, and the wiring back there between the speakers, that's the wire I neatened. And I also painted the sides here, and we're not trying to go too fancy with the interior, because the exterior is mainly what you'll see. The interior is just the only fanciness is the seat. So hopefully we get a lot of people checking out Stanley and the truck, and we are actually trying to figure out a name for the truck. So if anybody has ideas, leave it in the comment below, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So guys, today was the Father's Day car show, and we brought both of our go-karts and my Etzel and Chrisland's Etzel, and we had such a great, oh, and Chrisland's Rambler, not Etzel, my bad. And we had such a great time there. Everybody there was nice, and it's ran by new people, so it was a little different, but not that much different. And we just got home not too long ago, and just to share with you guys, Chrisland's Rambler won People's Choice Award, and this is her first time winning something for her car. She's very happy about this. So this is Chrisland's Choice Award, People's Choice Award, and then this go-kart won the Mayor's Choice Award. So this is our third time going to the Father's Day car show and winning something, so it's pretty exciting. We don't usually win a lot, you know, so we got the People's Choice Award for this, and Bouncing Betty has the People's Choice Award, a top 10 People's Choice Award, and this has the Mayor Choice Award. And actually two police officers came up, and they are expecting me to bring a police car next year, so now we have a challenge to get one police car done for next year. So happy Father's Days to all the fathers out there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I hope you guys enjoyed your cruise down to Lashment Road.